welcome back to my channel, MaddCrafty. Today is day 10 of 25 days of holiday crafts. Today we're making coffee filter snowflakes. For this project, all you need are coffee filters, Crayola markers, water, and scissors. This one is super easy, so let's get to it. And that's it. If you liked this video and want to see more, please consider subscribing to my channel for a lot more crafts. I'd love to see your snowflakes. Please tag me on Instagram at MaddCrafty or email me at info@maddcrafty.com so I can see what you made. Peace out.